Hi, everybody. I hope you had a great spring break, relaxed. We are going to be starting looking at Unit 8. Unit 8 starts off with talking about different types of angles. Angles and, in fact, let me get the title here. Angles and polygons. Yes. Okay. So, a couple of things that I know everyone is aware of is that when we have a triangle, even go ahead and draw a little triangle up here. All right, so a triangle, hence the name tri, has 3 angles, all right? And when we're talking about a polygon, we're going to talk about the interior angles. So interior, just like when we talk about the interior of my house, that means inside my house. So the triangle has 3 interior angles, right? There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3, okay? Those angles have to be made from the sides of the triangle, okay? So there could be another angle inside this triangle. For example, if I did like something like this, right? Like that's an angle that's inside that triangle, but that angle is not an interior angle, okay? Interior angle is going to be formed by the sides of the triangle or the side of a hexagon, whatever the size of the polygon is. All right. We also know that the 3 angles inside that triangle add to, what is it? Who can tell me? Alberto? Yes? Great. That's right. Adds to 180 degrees. So these 3 angles add to 180 degrees. So those 3 angles are called the interior angles. But we also have, you might remember, exterior angles. So an exterior angle is when I take one of the sides and I extend it. So if I was going to look at, say, this side, if I just kept extending it, okay, this angle right here would be called an exterior angle because it's on the outside, okay? So these are the interior, this is an exterior. So this lesson, we're just going to focus on the interior angles. Okay, all right. So what if I don't have a triangle? What if I have, let's say, a quadrilateral that looks like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are my 4 sides. So how many interior angles are there? How many, Timmy? Yes, that's right. Good. There are 4 interior angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what do they add up to? I know a triangle adds up to 180. Do these also add up to 180? I'm not sure. We'll see. Now, what if I went ahead and broke this up into triangles? So when I talk about breaking this up into triangles, I'm not talking about just making a whole bunch of little triangles in here like this and going, because that could be an infinite amount. I want to break it up so that I'm using the interior angles. So I'm going to first go ahead and just put marks on here. So that's angle 1, that's angle 2, that's angle 3, that's angle 4. Okay, so I'm going to break that up into triangles, but I got to break it from here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a diagonal across. Okay, and it looks like now, how many triangles do I have in that quadrilateral? How many? Matt, how many do we have? That's right, we got 2. There's 2. There's this triangle and there's this triangle. Now notice that these 2 triangles, this one has angle 1, it has part of angle 2, it has part of angle 4, but the other triangle, well, it has all of angle 3, it has the other part of angle 2, the other part of angle 4. So the angles of those 2 triangles is the angles of the quadrilateral. That means that this quadrilateral must have 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, 360 degrees. Okay, so What if I drew a different quadrilateral? Let's say I drew one that looked, what was a rectangle. Well, if I drew one that was a rectangle, same thing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 interior angles. I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half. So again, how many triangles do I have? 1 and 2. 180 plus 180 is 360. Okay, that tells me that every quadrilateral is going to have interior angles that add to 360. Now, what if I did not have a 4-sided? Maybe I had a 5-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, doesn't have to be a regular 5-sided or a regular pentagon, meaning that all these 5 sides are the same length. Okay, if I again wanted to break this up into triangles, I want to only have these angles. So I'm going to go ahead and go across. That's one triangle. Notice that has all of that interior angle, part of this one, part of that. I'm going to go back to that spot. 2 triangles. Notice it has part of that angle, so that covers that whole angle, almost that one, and part of this one. My 3rd triangle has the other part of here, this one, and this one. So how many triangles in a 5-sided? There's 3. That means 180 degrees times 3, which is 540 degrees. Okay, so this one's going to add up to 540. All right. What I would like you to do with this information will be what I'm going to post for today and tomorrow. This is going to be Monday and Tuesday. We are looking at interior angles of polygons, and I will have another video for you as well. Okay, bye.